How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Hacienda. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with an all-new model by the name of the Hacienda. And if things look a little bit different, it's because I am ready to celebrate, because I'm bringing to you what you've been asking for, a very extremely cost-effective park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet, and I feel we have accomplished that. So we have painted this home like it is ready to go to the coast, and I wanted to go ahead and dress according to the occasion. So this Hacienda is coming in at 15 foot wide. It's going to be 32 foot long, and that includes the 6-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $61K, $61,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And starting here on the exterior, outside of the bomb exterior color that we have going on, you will see that this is going to have a 50-year warranty siding. You will also see that it has a metal roof that has a 30-year warranty. You have a composite decking on your 6-foot front porch, so the exterior of this home is going to be maintenance free. You also have black prefab railing right here, so you don't have to worry about maintaining those either. But this is for the client that wants to get a home for Mr. Tiny and Recreational Resort Cottages, and they have finally found the price point that fits their needs, because this is quality at a great price. Now look at the curb appeal. You're getting it. Still the same appeal. You have the 6-foot front porch, and go ahead and make your way up to this porch, and you'll see here still tons of space that you could utilize for outdoor furniture. Do have an electrical outlet already out here for you to put in your stereo or your phone charger. 2 exterior can lights, and it is, like always, wired and braced for a ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. Have the front door here that's going to have the 9-light window right here for you, where you have the 9 individual panes. But we can talk about the outside all day long. Follow me inside the Hacienda so you can see how great this home is. And now we're on the interior of the all-new Hacienda. Before we go any further, I just want to give you a quick reminder for anyone who is interested in more of the short form content, do not want to watch the in-depth tours that I have here, you can run on over to the short section of our YouTube channel for your convenience. You can also check out TikTok or Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And I have the 2-second video tours for you to enjoy. Now let's get into the video. TINY, because we got it. So starting right here in the interior, you will see everything that you've come to know and love from a Recreational Resort Cottages, which is going to be 1/2-inch sheetrock, 2x4 construction, hard surface flooring going from front to back of the model. And because this Hacienda is 15 feet wide, you can accommodate the furniture of your choice. So right here in the living area, you'll see that you have the space to do so. We have a small sectional in this area where you see fits just fine. You could actually do a couple of recliners if you prefer. In this one, again, we're keeping the price competitive. We're keeping the price down, so we have some windows around. We don't have any tall clear stories or transom windows in here for you, but this, again, is for the client that's been asking for a super affordable tiny home. And with the rising cost of housing out there, here at Recreational Resort Cottages with Mr. Tiny, we're trying to do our part to make you be able to have a home that you can call a home and feel comfortable while doing so. So right here, you'll see 2 windows over to the side. You still have some options when it comes to TV placement. Obviously, you can place the TV in the middle of this area here, but in my opinion, this is the TV wall. Right here across, you'll see a space right here, open enough for you to place any size TV that you need to right there. And with this Hacienda floor plan, it is very functional because you have the living area, and then directly across, you have your kitchen, where it's going to give you plenty of countertop space. We have the Glacier quartzite countertop. We went with the gray cabinets in this model to keep it with that light and coastal vibe, you know, trying to coordinate here. So you see cabinets all down low. You have your 4-drawer bank there at the end, additional cabinets up top. We did 1 row of ceramic tile backsplash there for you, 2 basin, stainless sink, window up above, and then we're going to keep it going. Additional cabinets right here, stainless Venta hood. This one is coming with stainless appliances. We did want to give you that upgrade with the stainless appliances included in here. So you will see a smooth top oven down here. Also a standard style fridge with the freezer up top, fridge down below. And again, let's keep it moving back where you'll see that you have the space already prepped for your stackable wash machine and dryer. And behind pocket door number 1, we're going right into the bathroom, ladies and gentlemen, where you'll see this is a decent sized bathroom for a tiny home, where you'll see we've extended this countertop all the way around. Additional cabinet down below, 2-door linen sitting there on top of your counter space. You have a white wood trimmed mirror, giving you plenty of mirror space. A window there to bring in some natural light. And then we have a full tile shower. Yes, don't think you was gonna talk to Mr. Tiny and I was gonna give you a budget-friendly tiny home without adding a little bit of razzle-dazzle here and there. You know, I gave you the stainless appliances and I gave you a tile shower as well, still at the $61K price point. So a tile shower going from the pan all the way up to the ceiling. You can see right here, you have the glass shower door. And for those of you that know my height, you can see with the shower head right there, again, clients of all sizes can fit in here and be comfortable while living big, while still going tiny. So let's step out of the shower, keep it going. And what we did uniquely in this particular home is typically we would have a bifold door or a pocket door right here where you could lead from the bathroom into the bedroom. In this model, we want to just do a solid wall right here to have some privacy where if you did have guests come over, they could access your bathroom without having to see or have the option with a door there into your bedroom. So you have to walk out, come right here, and you have the door into your bedroom, swings out. And right here, yes, in the Hacienda, you have enough space in here to fit a king-size bed, ladies and gentlemen. Tiny home with a king-size bed, and the Hacienda is checking that box. And I love it because you have so much floor space where you could easily place your bed on this wall or even this wall. And you have 2 clear story windows here to the side. You do have a ceiling fan there centered with the 3 blades in white, giving you the dual barn door closets right here to your liking. 4-drawer dresser, 2 large, 2 smaller, and then the area here that you could easily mount your TV right there if you like. But if you wanted to do a TV a little bit larger, Mr. Tiny's got you covered. Remember, we didn't do the pocket door here to the bathroom, so you have all of this space to accommodate the TV of your choice. And then we'll take it open right here with the barn door, and you'll see in the closet, you have the double shelf and rods in there set up for you to enjoy. So tons of hanging space for your clothing and all of your accessories. And then we'll make our way back out. We're gonna keep this one short and sweet right here in the Hacienda. Again, as we come back out, you'll see, why would you even entertain renting an apartment, renting a townhouse, throwing your money down the drain with those type of options when you could have something like this for $61,000. Again, you could own a home for the cost of a full-size SUV in 2026. I mean, where did they do that at? Besides right here with Mr. Tiny and Recreational Resort Cottages. And to recap one more time, this all-new Hacienda model is coming in at 15 feet wide, 32 feet long, and that's going to include the 6-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $61K, $61,000, and again, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. So if you're interested in reaching out and purchasing the Hacienda today, you can contact me directly on Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Hacienda as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my TikTok or Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And if you enjoyed this video tour, please hit that thumbs up button right now. Let me know that you enjoyed the video by hitting that, as well as the subscribe button. And also run down to the comment section and leave a comment letting me know if you really enjoyed this all new price point model by the name of the Hacienda. Again, I think we've done our job of bringing you a quality home at an affordable price. But you run down to the comment section and let me know if we've done just that. But again, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.